Nice and smooth. You're on a Seagoner Speed 252 show. Scroll over to the right, hit that subscribe button, and become part of this awesome community. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Seagoner Speed 252. And I could put a little southern accent on it, but today we are here at the Corvette Bash. And we're sitting inside the conference room right now. And inside the conference room, we have a thing called an engine. We have a thing called a Grand Sport. And I'm going to give you guys a little brief details about that. Before I get into that though, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button anywhere on your phone, screen, or tablet. And hit that join member button and then become part of this awesome community. And I look forward to reading your comments. So with that being said, I'm from the South. So I got to practice my southern accent every once in a while because my teacher want me to practice it for my acting classes. Because if not, then I go sounding like this. And she's like, wait, that's not the southern accent, Clarence. We need it for your scene next week. So sometimes I got to play around with it. So I hope you guys enjoying a little bit of that southern accent. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the 6.7 liter motor right here. So this is the motor that is inside the Grand Sport. Okay. This is the motor that's inside the GXX as well. Let's look at it. I mean, to me, truthfully, it looks like the LT2, but, I'm not an engineer, so who am I? But I like it. This feels a little sturdy here. Yeah. C8 logo right there. Here's one of the gentlemen that helped build this car, Mr. John, is assistant manager at the plant. How are you doing today, my brother?
Good. How are you doing?
Pretty good, man. This is a nice, beautiful machine you made right here.
Yeah, this actually comes out of Flint.
Really?
Michigan. Yeah, it's a beautiful engine.
So I guess I was wrong about you. Well, you put it in the car, though.
We do, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
What's your favorite thing about the Grand Sport?
About the Grand Sport, it's the heritage of those stripes coming back. You got to appreciate that.
I like that. And you currently drive one right now.
I am driving one right now.
What's your favorite thing?
Machine.
What's your favorite thing about your Grand Sport?
Center exhaust. My neighbor stopped me more than once and said, that is my favorite in terms of how it sounds.
The Grand Sport definitely sounds better. Yeah. Way better than the Stingray. Yeah, absolutely. Well, great job with that, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. John.
You bet.
All right, support the channel and become part of the Seagoner Speed 252 family. Members get a special shout out in upcoming videos. Let's go. Sorry guys, my voice is hoarse by the way, and I didn't have a mic on me, and Mr. John had to go back and forth between the mics, so the audio might have been a little off there, but let's go ahead and dive into this a little bit more. What's your guys' thoughts on the 6.7 liter V8? It's nice and smooth. This is pretty cool. I don't think I've ever touched the motor inside of my car before. Not like this, at least. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it. You guys are a huge fan of the LS6? At least the new LS6. I know a lot of people love the old LS6, but what's your thoughts on the new LS6? I know a lot of people love swapping the LS6 in some of their newer vehicles. Ooh. Man. This thing is pretty sharp. 6.7 liter V8. Now we have the Grand Sport. Look at that. Look at the cutoff. This is pretty amazing. We got a front splitter on the front. Well, half a front splitter. Half of the car. You have the stripes coming down. Frame. Tire. Big old tire. So this is a Grand Sport obviously, but if it was a GSX, this is where the battery will be. Then you have the front motors. The battery will be in between here and here. How many of you guys are a huge fan of the GXX? How many of you guys are getting the new Grand Sport? If you are getting a new Grand Sport, which color would you get? How do you feel about the new Emerald Blue? I mean, it's not new, but you know what I'm saying. It's new for 2027. How do you feel about the new Pinch Gray Metallic? I've seen it in person. It's a beautiful color. I think it looks really well with orange stripes, blue stripes, white stripes, red stripes, blue interior, red interior, white interior, orange interior. I'm giving you guys some options there if you want to build your car. But as you guys know, this is where the passenger seat will be. We have the GT2 seats over there. The red stitching on the steering wheel. Here's what the screen looks like on this angle. You see what it looks like from the back side. Let's go on and continue around the back. You see the cooling radiator right here. Big old tire right there. We got the strut right here, or the magnetic ride is what people will call it. You can see the LS6 in here. Looking pretty sharp. Look at that. A little dark back there, but you can kind of see. How do you guys like this engine cover? I've seen a silver one. I've seen the blue one. Looks really nice. Look at here. This is nice too. Transmission, the dual clutch transmission. Here's the filter. This feels like plastic. Yeah. The stripe, half a C8 logo. Duck wing spoiler, half as well. Half glass. Just pretty cool. Kind of looks like the ZR1, right? If you put the ZR1 piece down here and put another piece of glass over here, you got the split window. We got the hash marks right here, which is done here at Chevrolet, but it's also by a third-party company. You can see the carbon fiber that would be right here if it was a ZR1, but this is a carbon flash for the Grand Sport. Again, the half window. You see the wheels. This is one of the new wheels that just came out. We have the red calipers, nice sturdy Corvette wheel, nice and black. Corvette logo in the center caps there. I think they should have went with black lug nuts, but what's your thoughts on that? Just my personal opinion. I didn't build this spec. Grand Sport in black, Sport in gray here. We have black side skirts as well, blue wishbone as well. Now we're on the driver's side. You can see the GT2 seats. Carbon fiber right here in the middle. The new interior, you can see the third screen right here, second screen right there, third screen right there, carbon fiber right here too. And this is what it looks like from this end. So you can see the third screen, the back end right here, the screen right here. This is pretty cool to be able to see the 2026 from this viewpoint, because we only usually get to see it from this viewpoint. So I hope you're enjoying this behind the scene footage of the interior. And this is it for the Grand Sport and the LS6. Well, technically you're not supposed to, but I break the rules sometime.
You're a YouTuber, okay?
I shouldn't be breaking the rules. So with that being said, I'm going to climb back on this side.
Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, I just wanted to give people a little behind the scene footage.
I know what you mean. You got to get up close sometime.
Got to get up close sometime. Yeah, so, yeah, I wanted to touch it too.
I bet you're on wide angle, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, that is it right there for the Grand Sport and the LS6 V8. Oh, 6.7 liters, I can call it that too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button on your phone, screen, or tablet. Leave your comments down below. Also hit that join button as well. Become a member of the channel. Greatly appreciate your support. And look forward to reading all your comments. And I hope you have an amazing day.